if I told you you could eat the same amount of food that you're eating right now, but make 10 to 20% of them disappear without lifting a finger? Well, we can with fiber, and let me share with you the fourth most amazing way that fiber helps you lose weight. Fiber actually eliminates calories that you've already consumed. It really sounds almost too good to be true. So how does this work? People who eat more fiber actually excrete more calories in their stool. And I know talking about bowel movements on TV is not the most pleasant subject, but like I said, it's never going to stop me. The technical term is fecal energy excretion, but I've changed that a little bit, and I'm calling it the fiber flush effect. Studies have shown that with each gram of fiber, you excrete calories. Clinical studies vary from 3 calories up to 12 calories. However, if you average the studies out, you excrete about 7 calories for every gram of fiber. This means if you just consumed 35 grams of fiber daily, you would actually eliminate 245 calories in your stool, and that's with no exercise. I call this the fiber flush formula. I also call it the biggest bonus of the Fiber 35 plan. If you only get one thing from this show today, I hope it's this fiber flush formula. Let me show you what this means to you. I'm going to use an example of Mary. Mary needs about 1,800 calories a day to maintain her current weight. Let's just look at what fiber can do for Mary. If Mary consumed 1,800 calories in a day and she regularly ate about 10 grams of fiber, she would fiber flush out about 70 calories in her stool, or 4% of her caloric intake. This would give Mary 1,730 net calories for the day. Now, you've heard of the word net carbs. We are now talking net calories. If with the same 1,800 calorie consumption, Mary just increased her fiber intake to 35 grams a day, she would eliminate or fiber flush 245 calories in her stool, or 14% of her caloric intake. This means just by increasing the fiber from 10 grams to 35 grams, Mary decreased her total calories by 10% for the day, giving her a net calorie amount of only 1,555 calories for her day, even though she consumed 1,800 calories. So if you took 245 calories per day times 31 days, it would equal 7,595 calories fiber flushed in 1 month. So if you did nothing else but just increase your fiber to 35 grams a day, you could lose over 2 pounds for that month. And in 1 year, that could be a total loss of over 26 pounds. Fiber is so powerful that if you changed nothing else in your diet, but just by adding this 35 grams of fiber daily, you could lose weight.